So it's fully installed, boss. It's fully installed, sir. As I've even salvaged it, so it's coming out for us. And this one is for the fruit. If they want to wash their fruit or so. So this is for the there's nothing like no leakage. This is how the Honda looks. So there's no single leakage. I'm going to discharge the water now, then you'll see what I'm saying. No single leakage. So I'll discharge the water. Discharging the water. Then this one is the waste basket. This one is always the waste basket in case the particles, like all those things, are washed off from this thing. You can see no leakage. There's no leakage. So same as here too. You can see the water going through. There's no single leakage. Everything is intact. So this is a basket, this basket where all the remains of the food will save here, then they'll pour it off and then put it back. Then this is the soap dispenser. This one is the soap dispenser. This for the soap, you can see it. I don't want to waste the soap, so it's for the soap dispenser also here. Once they pump it, the soap comes out and then so this is the soap. That is liquid soap dispenser. So everything is intact, sir. This is the finishing. The finishing looks. So I've also added I had to use silicone because I got silicone also. Silicone to ensure I sealed the edges, because the edges, if it is not properly sealed with this transparent silicone, once water falls in this place, the water can from here go to the cabinet and start soaking in. So all around I had to put silicone. You can see it on the edges, but it's transparent, so everything around so it's intact now, sir.